Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, and it means watch and learn. So I'm excited today to start a new series and really wanted to thank you again for completing the Math for Machine Learning series. However, we do have some more videos on math part and will be introduced when the time is fit. Now before we continue with our next series, please subscribe to our channel so that you can support us. Now, welcome to the Machine Learning Gym, and it's a new series where we are going to figure out the internal working of the basic machine learning algorithms. What we are going to learn is the internal structure and how the linear regression is conducted. We will understand a least squared error estimation, maximum likelihood estimation, regularization, logistic regression for classification problems, and gradient descent including stochastic and batch descent. Now, once you complete this series, the following things you are going to be comfortable with. You will understand the single variable ordinary least squares, multivariable ordinary least squares. You will be able to derive the maximum likelihood estimation of simple statistical models. Regularization is a very important concept, so you will be able to reduce overfitting by regularization, understand the ridge regression, polynomial regression, and along with it cross validation, etc. You will also understand the gradient descent, more about the batch and stochastic gradient descent methods. In addition to this, you will also learn about momentum and adaptive gradient descent such as AdaGrad. But before we continue, please complete the Math for Machine Learning section. If you haven't, just check the playlist in our channel. Alright, if you also want some additional books to support your learning, we recommend these following 5 books, and I will put the description and the links in the comment section. So the first book is Machine Learning, a Probabilistic Perspective by K. Murphy. Then we have the Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning book by Christopher Bishop. Then you have the Elements of Statistical Learning. It's a free book from Robert and Trevor. Then we have the Python Machine Learning. It's a very good book for the beginners from Sebastian Rashka. And then we have the Data Science from Scratch book. It's again another great book written by Joel Gross. So welcome to our new series, and let's learn about the internal working of basic machine learning algorithm. This will become the foundation for more complex and innovative ideas in the machine learning world.